characteristics of birds are that they are feathered, they're winged, they're bipedal, they're endothermic, and they're egg-laying vertebrae.
Birds receive the nutrients they need by hunting for live prey or just taking it from nature. Birds reproduce sexually. The body structure of a bird is special for flying, and it's a compact body with feathers and stuff. Did you know that the chicken is the most common bird in the planet?
A bird's feathers weigh more than its bones.
Did you know the ostrich is the biggest bird in the world?
Elephants are not birds.
You don't say. Random manatee!
Now let's do some bird watching.
You spot the bird? Can you spot the different bird?
No.
Is it that one?
No.
Maybe it's this one.
No.
Could it be that one? This one.
Nope.
It's this one?
Nope.
This one!
No.
These birds are very angry. Yes. Yes, indeed.